Hi everyone, I'm Mehuli
And I'm Manali.
and we are home quarantine right now, so we are going to make something today.
Yes, so I just got finished with all my daily calls and I suddenly had a craving to eat cookies. So I thought, why not make some? And if you're making, then why not shoot some?
And she is going to do most of the stuff. I'm just going to stand and look. So yay!
Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to bake cookies, we need very few ingredients. We need maida, which is all-purpose flour, sugar, butter, some essence. I'm going to use vanilla essence in this case, and baking powder. That's it. So I have my butter in the bowl. I'm just going to add the powdered sugar and blend it. So our butter and sugar mixture is ready here and we are all set to add the maida. So can you add the maida please? We are going to sieve them because maida and baking powder together so that the mixture mixes well. So our cookie dough is ready. Yay! Now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour for it to set and then we'll bake them. Oh, and by the way, do you see this painting? Come close, come close. This is made by our one and only Mehuli.
And I made it quite clear.
I love this actually. It's so nice.
You look nice with it. Go there.
Cookie dough is ready here. And by the way, I just had an idea that why not try it two ways. So we are going to make one batch of cookies in the oven and the second batch on appam maker stand.
And we have actually never made cookies before. This is the first time.
Yeah, this is the first time that even I'm making cookies. And we hope that it turns out really good. I'm excited. So take a little dough on your palm, roll it into a ball
This is so much fun.
and make it into flat disc like things. So I'm greasing the baking tray as well as the appam stand right now with a little butter.
So now we are decorating the cookies with cashews.
So we have the oven preheated at 180 degrees and we're going to bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes. These we're making on the appam stand. I've put the flame in low and we're going to cover it with a lid.
Vad hakten alla fest hela dagen.
So the cookies are baking. I'm not sure how the cookies in the appam stand will turn out. I mean, I have tried baking cakes, like mini cupcake size cakes, and they turned out to be really good. They were so soft, they were so good. But yeah, let's see. That's an experiment. And also I had a little cookie dough left, so I put a little of that in the microwave oven in the convection mode. Also a little tip from experience, The OTG, the convection in OTG is always better than the microwave oven convection. That is by experience. So I always prefer baking cakes or anything in the OTG rather than in the microwave oven. So yeah, let's see how these turn out. So we have cookies from all the 3 batches here. These ones are the ones which we baked in the OTG. These are the microwave ones and these are the appam stand. So by the look I can see that these look the best. These are second best and these are like little, they did not rise that much and they are also, they look a little burnt, right? They are darker in color.
So it's later now and we tested all the 3 batches of cookie. What do you think?
I think the ones that we made in the OTG look the best and I think they tasted the best as well. They were crispy at the edges and gooey at the center, just like a perfect cookie should be. And yeah, I think the ones that we made in the micro oven were also quite similar. Just I think they were better cooked, I think.
Yeah.
The ones in the
OTG,
yeah,
right?
the OTG one. And the ones that we made in the appam stand are look a little burnt and they did not rise as much as the other cookies. But taste wise they taste the same.
These actually cooked a lot faster, right? Like
Yes, these were the fastest to be cooked.
we didn't realize that these will get cooked so fast, so I think that's why they got a bit burnt.
Yeah.
But yeah, I like these ones the best, so these are our top rated ones. So
Yeah.
if you have an oven or an OTG, so always bake in that.
Yeah, I think I would also suggest that. So I think, yeah, overall the first experience of cookie baking was good and it was a success, we can say.
And it was really easy to make, like few ingredients only, right?
Yes, just 5 ingredients. We used just 5 ingredients. And yeah, definitely if you want, even I think you can give it a try and maybe let us know how they turned out for you.
So that's it for now. We are gonna go and see you again soon.
Yes, we are gonna go and enjoy our cookies. Bye.